good morning once again, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, so before you take a seat, please pick up the pieces of trashes under your seat and then arrange your seats properly. Okay, you may now take your seats.
Thank you, teacher.
So is anyone absent today?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now I have here the word okay for our classroom rules. So O stands for observe silence. K for keep your classroom clean. Then A, always be on time. And Y, yes to respect. Okay, so is my classroom rules clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, let's have first an energizer to energize ourselves. Okay, so our energizer will be ako'y gising, hindi tulog, nakikinig, and wow. So for this energizer, I will be reading before. Okay, so this will be group 1. You will be the ako'y gising, and then you will act like you are awake. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
For group 2, you will be the hindi tulog. And then you will act the hindi tulog. Okay, so group 3, you will be the nakikinig. And then you will act like you are listening. Okay? And then for the last group, you will act the wow. So for the wow, you will wave your body like this. And then you will say, wow. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please stand up.
because there are lots of apple and there's only one orange.
Okay, very good. Now, what do you think is my chance of getting a banana? Why?
Yes, Mother. No chance of getting a banana teacher because there are only two fruits in the basket, which is orange and the apple.
Okay, very good. There are only apples and orange in the basket. Now, I will be adding 3 more oranges. Okay, in the basket. So there are how many apples in the basket?
4.
What about the orange?
4.
Okay. Now, what is the likelihood that I will get an orange or an apple and why? Yes, friends.
Equal teacher because equal apple apple.
Okay, very good because there are equal amounts of fruits in the basket. Okay. So now I have here a picture. Can you describe this picture? Yes, Jean.
I can see that the child is running and playing.
Okay. So the boy is riding in the bird. So is it likely to happen or unlikely to happen? Right?
It's unlikely to happen teacher because words are small and very good.
Yes, very good. It is unlikely to happen because birds are small and cannot carry a human. Next is this picture. Can you describe this, Krisha?
The boy is running teacher because of the sun.
Okay. Is it unlikely to happen or likely to happen?
It is likely to happen teacher because mahapon na siya every time na nag-lost na sa house teacher and needed na.
Okay, very good. It's likely to happen. Now, last picture. This one. Shine.
The girl is lying with the umbrella in her hand.
Okay. So is it likely to happen or unlikely to happen?
It is unlikely to happen teacher because hindi man makadaog ang umbrella sa
Yes, very good. Now, now you're going to draw a simple scenario from your own life, and I want you to share it in front of the class. If it is likely to happen or unlikely to happen, okay? So I will give you 5 minutes to draw. Okay, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can I call Trisha? Oh. Okay, friends, to share what you know.
So I draw in the picture and I draw myself eating an ice cream because it's likely to happen teacher because I can afford ice cream.
Okay, very good, friends. Yes, what you drawn is likely to happen. Okay, so looks like you all get the discussion. Now let us try to test if you really understood. Okay, so for test A, you will observe the picture carefully, decide the picture,